Welcome to our Bangkok Property Tour March 2025 edition. Today will be very special because the first day will be something we have never done before. So for this time around, we are working with Noble, to showcase their different projects across Bangkok, the latest ones. So stay tuned in this video and you will check out which are the new projects that you should look out.
To have some simple introduction about our company and also what we will do for today.
One bedroom, 31.77 square meters. Greeted by a kitchen area, dining, living area. It's sort of like combined together with your bedroom. So we are now at New Euro Patanakan. So the actual site is in fact opposite over there. Okay, but our sales gallery is situated opposite. Alright, so this is a brand new fresh from the Yaman project. So Patanakan is about 10 to 15 minutes drive from Thonglor. This is the newest project from Noble and this is the Evo series. Even higher level than New Epic. So this is 32 square meters type A. Let's take a look. Okay, you have your kitchen and there's a sliding door so you can block away all the fumes. Then the dining area, living area. One bedroom but feels spacious. Then there's the washing machine now. In London Street, you have Mini Cooper, you have London bus, you have London taxis. So we are going for lunch here at Le Siam. So basically Thai food. So we just finished lunch and we are now heading to the airport railing. Going to airport? No, we are going to take the train to Makassar station. Okay, where we will change to the MRT to Ramanai. We are now at Patanakan and this is like a very local area. Okay, so this area for many years they didn't have a new project. So Noble New Evo Patanakan is the newest in this area. So yeah, so I mean definitely locals will be looking at new places to stay. So this is definitely something to check out. So this one is the Foremark monorail station, the yellow line. Okay, but we are not going to this. We are going to the one further down. So we are now at Ramanai, going to the last project of the day. This is new epic Ramanai, the hottest project in town right now, in the new CBD. I don't know the next time when we will be here for the tour, whether we will still have a chance to visit. Yeah. So we are back here. New epic Ramanai. This will be the last time we are visiting this showroom because 90% of the foreign quota are already sold. So if you are still interested in this particular project, be sure to act fast. Hello. Hello. Good morning. We are on day 2 of our Bangkok Property Tour. Right now we are heading to Tian Hai restaurant for some delicious crab fried rice. Okay, so after that we'll be visiting the different developers for day 2 of our tour.
This is the plum sauce. Plum sauce for the spring roll. Yeah. Call that brain power. What is this? Brain. Okay, there will be 2 of this. Wow. 2 of this. Okay.
So we just finished our lunch at Tian Hai. Take a look at the food now. Okay. Okay, but anyway, we had our lunch. We are now heading towards Reference Akamai, just 2 minutes away. Down across this street. We just finished Reference Akamai, and now we are walking back towards Akamai BTS station, where we will take the train to Pakanong to visit another new project called Origin Residences Sukhumvit, by Origin Group. We are now in the tunnel of Samyang Midtown. We just finished the project at Wisdom Craft Samyang. So right now we are going to the very last project for this tour, which is Shoes Raja TV, Raja TV area and Payatai area. So yeah, so now we are basically taking the trains over so that you know, as usual, have a better understanding of the locations. Eat this and bid goodbye to the sales gallery. So we have completed the end of our Bangkok Property Tour at Shoes Fashion TV, and this is the last time we are going to step into this sales gallery because after this they are going to tear down this sales gallery to make way for the construction of the project. Right, so to join us on our next tour, okay, visit bangkokpropertytour.com. See you.